Hey everyone, this is another video that I'm back for, and this one is for showing you how to put bloom in cycles. So if there's something you want to do, and you want to put bloom on it, and you want it in cycles, not in Eevee, because Eevee looks terrible with a certain render. So you want it in cycles, and you want it to have bloom, right? You can't have bloom in cycles by, like, straight out of the box. There's no setting for bloom, right? So you get whatever you want in cycles. It's actually really simple. So basically you have it and you just want to set up your render settings, whatever you want, literally doesn't matter at all, and you just click render. And this took so long to render, oh my god. Like literally this one scene, it took me so long to render. I was literally sitting there since morning and I was waiting for so long. It took like 4 hours. More than 4 hours actually. It took so long. I was just God, each one of those took like 5 minutes, and it's 1080, like 1080p render, right? So it took me ages, and it took me so long. And I was just sitting here, I was just doing that. 4 hours and 13 minutes. That is really long, especially for a photo. Anyways, so once it's rendered, you go over to the compositing tab, and it might not load in properly because so you have to go into the view layer and change that to the view layer. For some reason that works perfectly, so I just did that and it worked. So okay, and then so now you go into search and you press Shift A, click search, and then you type in viewer because you want a viewer node so you can see what's going on behind you. To the image obviously, and you see that in the background. Now you can see that, right? And so me, being the absolute genius I am, if anyone else knows how to fix this, please comment, because I am actually gonna kick myself. 'Cause I bet it's so easy. I did that, and now I can't get it back to where it was, because I feel so stupid. Because the only way you can drag it is by moving the actual center of it, and you can't really move it at all. You can only make it bigger. So I tried getting the X in the middle and I couldn't, and I tried like scrolling and I couldn't do anything, and then oh god, I tried everything honestly, like I feel so stupid. Anyways, and I tried like moving the sidebar smaller, but then all of it moved with it, and I was like, oh, this is actually one of the stupidest things I've done, and I'm so embarrassed. I just put this in the video so you guys can see. I'm learning too. Okay, so, and then I added in a new viewer node. I was like, okay, maybe this might work. This might reset it, you know? And nothing. Nope. So, in the end, okay, so, like, I tried so much and nothing happened, so I'll just get on with the video. Honestly, like, it'll probably be the same. You guys just need the concept of what to do. So, yeah, I'll just, yeah, because, like, honestly, this is actually so embarrassing, guys. Okay, well, my 30 subscribers are a bit, having a laugh right now. Anyways, so I just get on with the video. So basically what I did is, it's literally one compositing node. You've been waiting for all that time for just one thing. It's called the glare node. So you just add the glare node in the middle, and right now it's set to streaks. And that might not be what you want. It's a little bit, it's just vertical and horizontal. It's not really, oh, I figured it out, nice. It's not really what you're looking for in bloom. Bloom kind of has this like circular pattern to it. So basically what I did is, instead of doing streaks, I made that into a fog. So that basically makes it so it's volumetric, and that literally like bleeds the light out. That's exactly what it's doing. It just bleeds the light out further. And so basically, once you have that, once you're happy with what the settings are, you can go into the viewer node and it will show you what it's like. And so you can see a little subtle difference. I mean, if you look really closely. And this is only for like just like this certain image, right? So this is like one thing that I really wanted to do bloom on. I just thought I would show you guys since it's actually quite interesting. So I did that, and I'll just show you like a really quick teardown of what this actually does. So real quick, just gonna get my default thing, and I'm just gonna set up an emission shader on just a random object. I'm just choosing a diamond. You can literally do whatever you want, and so I'm just showing you how this works. Basically, I just turning the background down, making the emission some interesting color, like a warm color, so that when it blooms it actually looks quite organic. And so once that's done, I just set it to render. And this one renders pretty fast. I gotta say, it renders pretty good. It renders in like, I don't know, like 10 seconds, which is pretty good. But I only set the render samples like 20. But that's literally how slow my computer is. Anyways, so that's fully rendered. I'm just going into the compositing tab real quick, and I'm just getting rid of that playhead, or that play bar, whatever it's called. And so I have the entire compositing window ready for use, and I click use nodes so they show up, and I put in a viewer node, as you know, and I just separate everything, drag it out, and I add the glare node like I did before. Once that's in there, you can see that I'm changing it to fog, and you just wait a little bit for it to composite. It might take longer, might take shorter, but that's literally what it does. So it blooms, it makes it look really nice. So it makes it look like, I don't know, it looks better than if it wasn't. And with new Eevee and Bloom coming out, literally like everything looks better with Bloom. If you're not going for realism, Bloom is the way to go. It does look nice. So if you want Bloom in cycles, this is the way to do it. Anyways, gotta wait for the end screen things. That should be long enough, shouldn't it? Okay, bye.